What's up guys, back again with another video. So this time I'm going to show you how to use borders in CSS. So sometimes if you go to a website you'll see like a menu and like it's divided into sections, like each button and all that stuff. It's kind of complicated, but just anything like that could be a border. It might not be, but it could be a border. This, like all of this, just you'll see in a second. But anyway, so how to make a border. There's actually kind of two ways to do it. You could use the simple way. So let's use the div. That's what we're going to border. So select div, and then the easy way we could do it is border, and then we could say you choose the width of the border. So we could say like 5 pixels, and then you choose between like solid, dotted, and there's different options you'll see in a second. So 5 pixels, solid, and then choose the color. So we'll do red. We load, and now it's covered by that. See, you know, if you want to make it thinner, you can do 1 pixel, you know, stuff like that, or just insane. You could have 50. It's a big number for this. Yep. See, and yeah. So that's a simple way. You could just draw one up real quick. But if you want to really do it kind of better, you could have a border, and then you have all these options. So we could start with style. So these are the styles that you want to look for. Okay. So these are the different ones. And if you go to, let's see. If you go here, it'll show all the different styles that you have. Okay. So I'll put that in the description, of course. So these are all the styles, and yeah, so these outset, inset, ridge, groove, double, solid, dash, and dotted. Okay, so we're gonna do an inset border. We can do that, inset, and so we'll go back here and reload, and that's the inset border. So it looks like it's indented, kind of like pressed into the page. It's really cool. So from there, we'll set a border color, and then we could say blue, and now it's blue. It's harder to see because of the shading, but you know. And then, you know, we could do border width, and that'll make it, you know, bigger. So we'll do 10 pixels. Yeah, that's kind of big, but yeah. Okay. I'll set it to 5. That's better. Okay. So also, if you want to curve your border, you could do border radius, so the edges will be curved. So we could say like 12 pixels is a good amount of curve. And the higher the number, the higher the curve. So look, it curves on the edges here. So if we want to do like a circle, you know, you have to curve it like a lot, you know. But yeah, you can just play around with that however you want it to be. And yeah. Okay, anyway, but we'll just keep it at 5. Yeah, 5 is good. So, okay. So let's say we want to change the border, like, we could change like a certain side, okay? So let's say we want to change the bottom to dotted, okay? So we can do border bottom and then style, and then we could say dotted, and boom. See, now we have dotted. It's really cool. And you could just do any side, so top, left, right. See, really cool. So you can do anything. You can change the color of the bottom too. We'll do top. No, we'll do bottom color. We say red. See, now it's red. It's pretty cool. Really nice. So that's that, and yeah. So borders can be pretty cool, and don't forget the simple way is border. Let's get rid of this. Border width size, so 5 pixels, and then we can say dotted red. That's the simple way if you don't want to change every single detail. But there you go. So yeah, that's that. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And we have a Discord, it's in the description if you want to check it out. Come out and hang with us, and you know, play games and yeah, just talk and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, why do you wanna be me? You gotta earn the respect. Money don't fall off of trees. I feel the pain in my chest. Nothing will ever come free. Gotta be up and go next. I'm at the work, you sleep. That's why I never get rest.